making a parts run, and this just happened. You see that? Well, ignore the check engine light and the tire pressure light because those don't work right. But see that little throttle control warning light? We are gonna have to get some parts and fix that. And also, if you look, you can see the temperature gauge has not come off of cold. And that's the problem. The thermostat, I think, is stuck, and because the temperature is not coming up, it's causing that light to turn on. So we're gonna grab a thermostat and a gasket for the Jeep while we're out and see if we can get that light fixed.
Now that we've got our thermostat and Travis has gotten his drag truck out of the garage so more people can work in here, we're gonna go ahead and install it and hope we don't make a huge mess with the coolant. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get all this out of the way for two reasons. One, it's really easy to take off, and two, I also want to check the throttle body and make sure it's clean and make sure that's not the reason why it's idling rough sometimes. If you guys are interested in more Jeep build stuff, we will have a full playlist on this Jeep doing different things to it. Okay, hopefully this doesn't make a big mess because this stuff's like $20 a gallon. Ah! I made a big mess, I made a big mess. It's coming out of the wrong hole. That was unexpected. Why did it come out of there instead of there? Anyways, this is the part you're replacing.
If it was bad, it would be stuck open, and it doesn't look like this is actually the problem. So this may not fix it. It might be a bad temp sensor.
That's unfortunate. All right, well, we already have this part anyways, so. So the good news is if you do have this thermostat go bad, it's really simple to change. And it honestly might be better to go ahead and take the time to drain the coolant properly because that made a huge mess. So we're gonna go ahead and run to the parts store and get a sensor because this thermostat obviously wasn't the problem, and see if that fixes our problem. This was having a little bit of issues starting the past couple days, so this is a cold start with the new temp sensor. Starts right up. Now we'll take it for a test drive and see if that light comes on. That seems to have fixed the problem. See you soon.